We're best known for our Bloody Mary mixes, and then we also have a line of cocktail syrups. We're unique in the industry because we do not use any concentrates in our product line. So we're not doing a filtered water with a tomato paste. We're actually using crushed tomatoes and whole tomatoes, fresh lemon and lime juices. We're using fresh horseradish, fresh jalapeno peppers, and everyone's favorite Worcestershire. And this really is a nice full bodied. So the bars are just adding ice and vodka, stir with a stick of bacon, repeat as needed. Works very well. We have a lot of fun with it. So we have our bold and spicy, which is got a lot of horseradish and jalapeno pepper in it. Gives a nice punch. Our traditional, which is the same basic ingredients, it's just a little bit softer, probably a 12 out of a 20 for heat. And then we have our vegan, which is literally exact same as our bold and spicy, but we took the Worcestershire out of it. And the Worcestershire has anchovies in it because it's the L&P, it's the historical original Worcestershire sauce. And then when we pulled that out, not only did it become vegan, but it's 10 milligrams of sodium in 4 ounces. So it's an ultra low sodium product, works really well for some of our restaurants that we work with that have an older crowd that might be concerned about that. And then we have a 6-week in the fridge open shelf life. So a lot of places that might have a blended crowd, some of the younger hipster kids that are getting more vegan friendly, they'll bring in a bottle or two of the vegan, serve it, use it over the course of 2 weeks and make really nice with it. So they're not having to waste and they're not missing an opportunity to make some money on that side. So that's a nice touch. Because we don't use any concentrates in our product, one of my favorite things to do is at the end of a sampling, I'll go home and I'll have, 3-4 inches into a bottle of Bloody Mary mix and do about 4 ounces of Bloody Mary per pound of ground beef. You get a nice spicy Bloody Mary burger. And I've had a couple of restaurants that are starting to do sliders on Thursday night at the bar, Bloody Mary sliders, and it opens the conversation to remind people that they're doing brunch on Sunday, which is where they make a lot of their money because of the cost of food service. So it's a nice open introduction. It's one of the things that sets us apart from our Bloody Mary counterparts in the industry. And then the same with our cocktail syrups. One of our biggest movers right now is our blueberry cocktail syrup. It's American cane sugar. It is water, organic blueberries, and fresh lemon juice. So again, there's no concentrates, there's no paste. It's nice, it's simple, it's a beautiful purple color, makes for a great cocktail. And then if you're being creative, you take that same blueberry syrup, or our mint syrup is very refreshing, and you blend the mint with whipped cream, about 1 ounce to 6 to 8 ounces of heavy cream. You get a nice mint whipped cream to do with desserts or to float on coffees and hot chocolates. There's a lot of versatility in our line because, again, we're using real solid ingredients and not filtered water with natural flavoring.